This video is stock locations. So from your transaction tab, select inventory, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to our stock locations, and that is in Stock Manager and Stock Locations. Now, as you can see, I've got two locations. I have a warehouse and I have a showroom. All my product is currently sitting in my warehouse. Nothing is in my showroom. So I want to transfer from the warehouse to the showroom. So I'm going to say from the warehouse to the showroom, transfer one. Then I click move. That then takes one out of inventory and moves it into the showroom. Okay. You can look at all the locations if you wish to create more locations. If you have your warehouse broken into multiple sections, you could put these in as the warehouse and then a certain bin number if you wish. But that's how you move stuff from the warehouse to the showroom. And at the end of the day, we do have a custom report that will show everything that was sold from the showroom, so you can replenish your showroom with the items that were sold that day.